My dear students, thank you very much for your present in the online class. How are you? I hope you are all okay by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Kem Zakaria Alom, your teacher. At least 4 months you are absent from the class for coronavirus. So you are deprived of getting all types of class facilities. Today I am going to take an online class on English first paper for class 9. Today's topic: matching and rearranging sentences. That means part A, reading test. Please look at the board and follow. Matching and rearranging, which are the most important topic for English first paper in reading test part A. There are 3 columns in the question number 6. You have to match to make meaningful sentence from column A, B and C. Before making the question or matching the question, you must have to realize the first column, next second column B, and the last third C column. Here I am going to make a sentence to match. That means to match 5 sentences correctly. Please look at the board. Column A, number 1, blood donation. B, many of us. C, everyone in sound. D, by donating blood. E, donating blood. This is column A. Column B, number 1, have misconception. 2, health can devote. Health can donate. Here D-O-N-A-T-E, donate. 3, we can save the. 4, will cause. 5, is a very. Column C, number 1, blood every 3 months. 2, no harm to us. 3, about blood donation. 4, life of a dying man. Here dying means a person who is at the point of death. 5, noble deeds, works, acts, etc. Now I am going to teach you how this sentence will be matched by column A, B and C. Blood donation. Please look at the board. In the right side answer box, number 1, A plus 5 plus 5. That means blood donation is a very noble deed. This is the first system. Next you have to write the complete sentence. After all, you must write the answers in the answer script. Number 2, B plus 1 plus 3. It should be written in the script. Number 3, C plus 2 plus 1. C means everyone in sound health can donate blood every 3 months. D, by donating blood, D plus 3 plus 4. D, by donating blood plus 3 plus 4, it should be written. Number A, donating blood, that means E plus 4 plus 2 should be written in the answer script. Now, question number 2, honesty. Honesty, that means A plus 3 plus 5, B, people plus 1 plus 4, C, speaking the truth, C plus 2 plus 3, D plus 5 plus 2, E, this noble virtue, E plus 4 plus 1. Number 3, truthfulness, A plus 4 plus 2, B plus 3 plus 4, C plus 2 plus 1, D plus 5 plus 5, and E, today or tomorrow, E plus 1 plus 3. You must remember to match the sentence. You must write the answers in the answer script. Dear students, I hope you have understood about the question number 6, matching sentence. You have completely understood about the question of matching. Now I am going to discuss about question number 7, that means wrong order. Its another name is rearranging. There are 2 stories. Both stories are whimsically written. It is on the board in wrong way, that means wrong order. So, whenever you will be ready to rearrange the sentence, you have to realize what type of story is written in the question. So, for your better preparation, you have to study from the beginning to the end of the question for your proper conception. Suppose question number 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, there are 8 sentences. These are in wrong order. It should be rearranged in correct order. Your answer will be rearranged according to sequence Such system is necessary to make your answer in the answer script. First, number E. Long, long ago, there lived a very kind, generous man in Yemen. It will be first. The name of that man was Hatim Tai. Next, it will be the second sentence. It should be rearranged according to sequence. He was not rich but very hospitable. Hospitable. That means G. Next, one day the king gave a dinner. After G, F will be written. Next, the guests praised the king. Next, so the king felt happy and proud. Next, D, but the guests praised Hatim Tai also. That means E, C, G, F, A, H, D, B. Answer will be written alphabetically. This is the system of answering method of question number 7. Please look at the board. Question number 2. This is another reference about Preeti Lata in your textbook. You have to know and realize about Preeti Lata. Study carefully and punctually about her, and her idea will help you to make reference. Sequence should be necessary to write reference. Please look at the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 sentences on the board. G will be the first sentence. Preeti Lata was born in Chattogram on 5 May 1911. It will be first. Only alphabet will be written. G. Next, you will write number E. She was a meritorious student. Meritorious, brilliant. Next, she graduated in philosophy from Bathura College in Kolkata. It will be Ace. Ace will be written after E. Next, she was a patriot. She was a patriot. Patriot is a man or a woman who has a great love for his or her country. D will be written after this. Next, she wanted freedom for the nation. A. She extended her cooperative hands towards Sonia Sen. That means B. Next, unfortunately, she killed herself to avoid arrest. Next, F. She proved that women can work like men. That means she proved herself that there was no difference. There is no difference between men and women to work in everywhere. These are the systems of rearranging. I hope every one of you have understood clearly about the question number 7 on rearranging. Practice more and more to develop your preparation. As a homework, you have to task heartily at home. Sex Sadi, Kazi Nazrul, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Joynul Abidin. Etc. As you are the students of class 9, after 1 year you are going to be the students of class 10. So, you must try heart and soul for your better preparation. Thank you very much.